Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is verified and signed in. Once done, make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS version. Updates often resolve verification bugs. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and keep at least 20% battery or plug-in. Now open Settings, tap your name, and verify payment and shipping and password and security entries. Mistakes here trigger App Store verification errors. Follow each check. Do not skip a step, because small details matter. You should sign out of media and purchases, then sign in again. This forces reauthentication with Apple servers. If downloads stall or verification fails, reset network settings to clear DNS and VPN conflicts, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure date and time are set to automatic so certificate checks succeed. If you use a VPN or third-party DNS, temporarily disable it. Often those interfere. Each action targets common verification failure causes, so proceed step by step, and you end by force quitting the App Store, restarting your iPhone, and attempting the download again. A reboot clears transient authentication states. If one app is affected, update or delete and reinstall it to refresh its receipt. Should problems persist, sign out of iCloud, restart, and sign back in. This can reissue credentials. If none of this works, contact Apple support or consider restoring from a recent backup. Use that as a last resort. Tip: keep screenshots and error messages to speed support diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.